What's up, guys? I didn't see you guys there. I'm Mississippi. Today, we're working on 98 Jeep Cherokee. Okay. Mostly just doing maintenance on it. We're gonna do the sector shaft seal. Right up in there. She's leaking quite a bit. I did it one time, but I did it completely wrong, so. Ooh. But yeah. Alrighty. So first we're gonna start off by taking off this bolt. 'Tis a 33. If you guys were wondering, in the last video I wondered what this socket was for. It's for my Pitman arm bolt. Amazing. Wow. Alright. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now we gotta get the arm off. Clink, clink. Come on, come on, come on. Speed. I am speed. I don't think this is the right tool, but that's okay. It's probably not on it that tight. Come on, get on there. Bruh. There she goes. What? It's not supposed to go sideways. Okay, I'm back. I have to go get the right tool because I'm a ding dong. The correct tool. Supposedly. Oh my god. Give me this. Give me this. Son of a gun. Okay. There we go. Cool. Just uh-oh. 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 That's okay. Let's see. Oh, that's not it. That's it. Okay. Right there. I think I put this in completely wrong, so. What? No way. Try picking it out of there first. If not, I'm gonna have to drill it out. Which you don't really want to do. No. No. Alright. Pick guy activate. Form of Ricky Bobby. Alright. Sorry, Ryan, if I break a pick. Okay. Be very careful. Oh. This one's already broken. Let's jam that John in there. Well, there she comes. It's coming. Come on, Daddy. What? Daddy, chill. What? Okay. One Gascamundo. Just trying to see where she failed. Okay, good ol' snooper-room tours. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's gonna reach. Oh, that's so cooked. What do you mean it doesn't reach in there? Oh. Wait. Wait. Oh, dude. What the freak? Oh, okay. Another set. Oh, dude. What? Well, that would be my luck today, wouldn't it? Wait. Let's see what I can do here, Billy. Oh. Why is life want to be a bitch to me today? I give up. It's so fucked that these pliers don't work. Would be my luck today. Wait. Actually. Why did I just give myself some more room? Oh. Is that right? No way. No way. I got it. I fucking got it. First try, basically. Yeah, that's first try. Oh, no, Ryan, I'm so sorry. I bent your picky, dude. Get out of there. Stupid bit. Stupid bit. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Nick. What? Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. That's what I'm slobbing about. What? Now let's see if I can get your mom. What? Please. It's right there. Guys. Yes. Come out. You can do it. I believe in you. Bruh. Bruh. Oh my god. Just for this. Just for this. Here's what we got so far. So basically I'm just gonna put the pitman arm back on. And we're gonna turn this a bunch of times. So hopefully it blows the seal. So okay, so just watch right there. Right here. Wait for the gasket to pop. Ka-chow. Basically we're just gonna turn the tire back and forth a couple times. Okay. I think I got it. Hopefully. Yeah. Yeah, I see it. Gangster. Alrighty. Just gonna let this finish pouring out. Sorry about your bucket, Ryan. Do got the power steering cap off for airflow. Let's go ahead and get this pitman arm bolt off. Oh, wrong tool. I don't know how I got that. Jesus Christ almighty. Who hired this guy? Hey. Yeah, good boy. Okay. There's the plastic part. Perfect. Alright. Huge John. Huge John. Perfect. Huh. Wonder what happened. It's not even that bad. Let's get all this nasty shit off of here. Oh, what? Back lean. Whoa. Cool. Whoa. Yeah, hey, you ain't gonna drip on this. That's that. See if I can zoom in. How do we zoom? I don't know how to zoom. That's okay. Just up in there. Put the gasket back on. First seal to go in is this one with the washout on it. There, right there. Stick that in there. Perfect. And then, where'd it go? Where'd it go, huh? Where'd it go? Take a 1.5 inch pipe, and then we'll just smack her on it. Okay, that went all the way in first try. I think that seated good. Yeah, looks like it. Sure does look like it. We'll just send her home a couple more times just to make sure. Cool. Second part is metal ring. Will you marry me, guys? I love you so much. What? Oh, light. The only light I could use for working on stuff. Ow. Okay. Ah. Hey, where you think you're going, boy? Yeah. Yeah, I got skill. What you gonna do about it? Don't pinch me, please. Okay. Oh no. Give me that shit. But now, time for that's the wrong one. Don't need that one. This one, dust cover. Cool. And then push that in there. Give him a little handy dandy thingamajigger. What? Oh no. No, don't go in sideways. Yeah. Oh, oh, oh. And oos. Wow. Wow, brand new. Can't even see it because that's just the dust cover. There. Sector shaft seal complete. Putting the pitman arm back on. Just need the washer. There's the washer and the nut. Basically, it goes nut first and then washer. What? Pick is, I believe, 180 foot-pounds, but I don't got that, so where's my, no, there it is. Cute. Psych. Of course I got 24. Oh, sorry. You guys need to be immersed in what I'm doing. Basically, I got this right here. And I got my feet. I got my feetsies up here. And my head holding. Whoa! So don't have your foot on the wrench thing with a little ball sack on it. Instead, oil change it. Why would you torque? Huh? Huh? I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Yay, Mississippi. Never scared. What? Really? Mississippi never scared? Okay. Yeah. You guys are too close. Oh, hey guys, Mississippi here. Today we're gonna be doing, wait a minute. Just gotta top off the Palpastee one, wherever that is. And there it is. No. Which OLED do I want to use today? Arc Pro? Arc Feld Pro? Limited edition titanium gear? Or the original Arc Feld Pro? Meow. Firestone. Sorry, pre-stone. I'm pre-stoned. Whoa. Free balling it? Whoa. Who popped this off, huh? Who does this shit? Not me. Mississippi's perfect. Wow. Oh, okay. Like that? Okay. Okay. Full to the brim. You're just trying to get all the air pockets out of there. Oh, yeah. Make sure to check this. Oh, yeah. See how much lower it is? Fuck, dude. How'd I lose my fluid? There it is. I'll do this a couple more times. This could sound like straight shit when I start it, but nice car. Alrighty guys, that's basically it. That's how you replace the sector shaft seal on a 98 Jeep Cherokee. There she is. Basically just gotta keep turning until you stop hearing. Cool. I'll see you guys on the next video.